Understanding burnout, signs and effects of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion. Burnout is a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion often caused by prolonged stress or excessive workload. Here are some signs that may indicate your body is experiencing burnout. Physical exhaustion, feeling constantly tired, drained, or lacking energy, even after adequate rest and sleep. Emotional fatigue, experiencing frequent mood swings, irritability, or increased sensitivity to stressors. You may also feel detached, cynical, or have a sense of apathy towards your work or daily activities. Reduced performance, finding it difficult to concentrate, complete tasks, or make decisions. Your productivity and effectiveness may decline, and you may feel unaccomplished despite your efforts. Physical symptoms, experiencing a range of physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, frequent illnesses, changes in appetite, disrupted sleep patterns, or gastrointestinal issues. Lack of enjoyment, losing interest or satisfaction in activities you once found pleasurable. Hobbies or social interactions may feel like a burden or uninteresting. Increased cynicism or negativity, adopting a more negative outlook, being overly critical, or feeling pessimistic about work, relationships, or life in general. If you notice several of these signs persisting over an extended period, it's essential to take them seriously. Self-care, setting boundaries, seeking support from loved ones, and consulting with a healthcare professional or therapist can help address burnout and promote recovery.